Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review the product called RESURGENCE. RESURGENCE remembers me the name of the movie Insurgence, right? You must have watched the movie. Anyways, let's start this review here. So this is some kind of money-making machine they are launching, and we will do the in-depth review of this product because there's no depth in it, okay? It's pretty simple. Scam, that's all you have to understand. Now, let's go by the headline here. It says it's making us $1,000 daily passively. Now, this is the first time I'm agreeing with them. So yes, I agree here, absolutely right. This is making them $1,000 passively. That is absolutely right, and I'll show you how, because you need to understand that these kind of system needs victims, and you are the victim. So people like you are going to buy these kind of softwares, and eventually these people will make money. So that's what it says. They make $1,000 passively, which is right. Now, before we go on to, go into this review further, make sure you stick till the end, okay? Otherwise, you might lose your money. So stick till the end, subscribe to the channel, and let's see the profile of the creator of this product called something. So let's go here. It's called James Fawcett Infusion 2.0, June 1st. What was that? It's Breakout Industries, okay? They have launched Infusion 2.0, which was a scam product which we reviewed earlier, and then now they're going to launch this thing called RESURGENCE, whatever, RESURGENCE, that's it here. So they are going to launch this product on 20th of June. Now, this $1,000, let's talk about this. So if you come back to the profile again, so this Infusion 2.0, 1,000 copies were sold of this product, then 1,000 copies of some other product, and then 3,000 copies of some other product, okay? So they have got the nerve. I mean, they have got the technique, of the system, you can say, or they have found the loophole of the system. And loophole is that in order to make money, you need to be a vendor on Warrior Plus, not an affiliate. As long as you're an affiliate, you will not make any money, any substantial money, okay? So you need to earn, thousands of dollars. For that, you need to be a vendor, and that means you need to be launching your own products, and those products has to be scam products, okay? Because those are the products which makes like most of the money, okay? So all these products which are money-making machines, first of all, to start with, there are scams. Do not buy these kind of products, okay? There's no such machine, there's no such software in which you put in your affiliate link and you start getting sales. There's no such thing, my friend, okay? Now let's go back to their website again here. It says it's making them $1,000 passively. So we showed you, yes, they are making these kind of dodgy softwares, and people will end up buying it. So as soon even this product gets launched today, even if I'm making this review, I can't save many people because not many people come to YouTube to watch the reviews. So what happens in the background here, this is all email marketing. So they have tens of thousands, maybe 20,000, 50,000 email subscribers already, and they send these kind of crap products to their email list. So if those 20,000, 5,000, 10,000 people receive emails from them, hey, this is this, and we are launching this product today. So unfortunately, out of those 20,000, 1,000 people will end up buying this scam product, and 1,000 copies being sold. So that means if they sell this product for $12, 1,000 copies being sold, that means they made $12,000 overnight. So they made this dodgy software, and they invested maybe a couple of $1,000s to get this software outsourced and made from some IT person, from some software developer, or maybe by themselves. And by investing a couple of $1,000s, they made a profit of $10,000 because they sold 1,000 copies in $12,000. Okay, you're getting the business here, how this works. So you can also find some software, person, and then you can replicate these kind of scam programs, and then you can launch your own product on Warrior Plus, and then affiliates will do the selling for you, and you will make some money. if your soul allows you to do that. Mine doesn't. That's why we are not launching any kind of these dodgy products. So let's go further down here and go through the bullet points. It says the fastest result you have ever seen. Fastest means you will lose money in a fastest way. So you will lose your money as fast as you can. Okay. Virtually unknown brand new method with full training. It is unknown because I have gone through their website from top to bottom. I did not find what exactly they are talking about. What is their concept in this software? What do you need to do? They have told nothing. It is just a sales website. Buy this, buy this, buy this, and that's it. They have not talked about any concept. They have not talked about any what you're gonna do, how you're gonna do it. They have not given any demo on their website or on their JB page. So this is the JB page here. It's only an introduction video here. So if you go further now, it's all crap here talking about funnels. Like, you just steal all the money from your pocket. That's what they want. They want your money, okay? They don't want to make you rich. There's nobody who can make you rich, all right? So stop wandering around on the internet, looking for something which will make you rich. There's nothing which is going to make you rich until and unless your brain is rich. You need to reach your brain. I mean, you have to harness your brain. You need to have some skills. You need to have some knowledge. Without knowledge, people will keep scamming you all the time, and you will keep losing these 15 bucks every day. So let's go further down here and see it's instant access. These are those people who are launching the product. The proof is the pudding. So this is the fake screenshot. You can go onto Google and find these kind of screenshots anywhere, maybe on the Facebook too. This is all that old crap that I was not making any money, and I found the system and I'm rich now. This is all that old crap. And then let's go further down here. So 3 steps. All the websites have only 3 steps. Okay. First, buy their offer. Buy the package, and they will show you some training and then blast you with your traffic. Okay. Traffic is never going to happen because traffic is your own responsibility. If you're running a blog, if you're running YouTube videos, if you're running affiliate sites, bringing traffic is your own responsibility. There's no magic bullet, okay? So all anybody can tell you is run Google ads, run Facebook ads, run Pinterest ads, run Bing ads. That's the only strategy anybody can tell you, and you know that already. Okay, so you don't need to pay for anybody to tell you that you need to go and run Facebook ads because you know that already. Okay, and then it says relax and enjoy. This is the fun part. Once people begin to see your offers, there is nothing else for you to do. Just sit back and relax. So if somebody sees your offer, then obviously you don't need to worry about it because you will be getting traffic. People will be watching your ads. They will be visiting your website. They'll be clicking on your affiliate links, and then you will make some sales. That's the fun part. But how do you get there? How do you get to that fun part? How do you make people to come to your offer, to your website, to your YouTube videos? So this is nobody tells you, and nobody can guarantee that they can get traffic to you. So again, do not fall for this crap. Nobody can give you traffic. It's your own responsibility. You need to generate traffic on your own by doing the hard work. Okay, let's go further down here. Again, I'm going through all the website here. It's not talking here, or it's not telling us what concept is there. How are you gonna help us? If we buy your system, what are you gonna do? What we get inside? There's no such there's no demo here. There's no step-by-step thing that you buy this, you fill in your it's not telling anything. It's not saying that you have a website builder inside, or maybe you have some YouTube builder inside. It's not telling us anything. What do we have inside the dashboard so that I can tell my audience that this is how it works? They have nothing inside. They have not mentioned any single thing. How does this product work? What will we get inside the software? It talks about nothing. It just says it's a training software, I guess. And then let's go further down at the bottom here. It's okay. Let's read this here. This is a very good thing here. So it's an income and result disclaimer. This website and the items it distributes contain business strategies, marketing methods, and other business advice regardless of my own results and experience. Okay, so here clearly they're saying that this is only this is like a training software or a tutorial, or they just give you some advice. And then it says that it may not produce the same results as mine. So there's no guarantee here. They are just they're just highlighting that at the very bottom as a disclaimer that if you make some money, that's your luck. If you don't, who cares, right? That's what disclaimer means. and there's absolutely no guarantee expressed or implied, so they're washing their hands from this. Okay, once you buy this, if you make money or not, who cares? It's not their problem. That they are just washing their hands from this. So you are smart people, do not buy this crap. The only motto of my YouTube channel is that I can save some money of people, because I want the internet to be to be like clear. This is a mess. This Warrior Plus, Zevizu, ClickBank, Digistore, this is a total mess. Okay, my goal here is to actually clean up all this mess, maybe even 0.1%. If I can do that, I'll be a successful YouTuber. Okay, so again, it's my goal here to just give you right advice, and so that you don't waste your money. Because if I can save 20 people losing their money every day, that means I can save 600 people losing money every month, and I will increase on this. So understand how this works, because this is a loop. This is like a brainwashing thing. So these people show you those kind of screenshots. They try to lucrate you, they try to attract you by showing your screenshots. But again, this software is going to make 1,000 sales at least in a couple of days, I'm telling you, because there are idiots, there are fools out there who are not watching my videos, because my videos, they are not coming onto YouTube to search for these kind of videos and then read the reviews. So they simply receive emails from these people, and then they end up buying the product. Okay, so again, this is something which is not their fault, but they're stupid. That's all I can say. So unless you're not watching this video, you might end up buying this product too. And even those people will end up buying this product, and later on they will find it's not going to help making any money. Eventually they have lost some money. So I'll keep the video short here now. I'll just end this video for now. And don't buy this. There's no need to buy this. There's nothing which can make you rich until and unless you know what to do. Okay, so if people are making these kind of products, they want to earn money themselves, and that is why they have launched this product. Otherwise, if this thing is making them money, they don't need to make it public. Okay, it's a simple thing, simple logic. If something is making me money, why would I give it to you for 12 bucks, for 13 bucks? All right, it's a simple technique to scam you. Secondly, what do you think, why people are making videos, okay, on YouTube and everything? Because they don't want to be a YouTube, they don't want to be YouTubers, they don't want to be famous. They want money. Okay, because YouTube gives them money, YouTube views gives them money, YouTube ads gives them money. That's the only that's the only motivation. That's why they want to make videos. Otherwise, if YouTube don't pay, nobody will come onto YouTube to make any videos, right? So let's say if YouTube stops paying people for 2 months, nobody will make videos in those 2 months, right? Nobody is stupid. Okay, so you don't have to be a stupid as well. Don't buy this product. It's a scam, totally scam. And subscribe to our channel, because if you don't subscribe to our channel, that means you will end up losing your money every now and then. And do like the video. We'll come back and see you next time.